Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert, and today we're talking about something that most patients don't even realize plays a massive role in the success of their dental implants. That's digital workflows. Now, if you've been considering full mouth dental implants, you might be wondering, what's the difference between traditional methods and modern digital dentistry? Why should I care? In this video, I'll explain how digital workflows make the entire process faster, more precise, and more customized, leading to fewer appointments, better fitting teeth, and a more natural smile. So what exactly is a digital workflow when it comes to all-in-4 or all-in-6 dental implants? A digital workflow means we use advanced technology like 3D imaging, digital impressions, and computer-guided implant planning to create a more precise and efficient treatment process. Instead of relying on physical molds and traditional techniques, we do everything digitally, which saves time, improves accuracy, and enhances patient experience. No more gagging on all those goopy impression materials. So here's how it works. First, we take 3D scans instead of those messy molds, so there's no more of that uncomfortable old school impression trays. Next, we plan with computer-guided implant placement, which means more precise, predictable surgeries and custom designed smiles. Every set of teeth is digitally crafted to your face and your smile for a perfect fit. Have you ever seen someone with a new set of dentures where their teeth just look too big for them, or like horse teeth? That doesn't happen when we use digital workflows and facially driven treatment. Also, faster turnaround times. You get from your consultation to your final teeth in half the time of older traditional workflows. How digital workflows reduce your appointments. One of the biggest advantages of a digital workflow is that it cuts the number of appointments you need in half. In many traditional implant cases, you might need 8 to 10 visits over several months just to get to your final teeth. But with digital workflows, we streamline the process, bringing that number down to 5 or even fewer. Here's what that looks like. First, the consultation and digital impressions. We start by scanning your mouth in just a matter of minutes without any of those traditional molds. Then we custom smile design and plan your procedure. Every aspect of your case is digitally mapped for precision. Third, your implant placement. Using guided technology, we place your implants with extreme pinpoint accuracy exactly as we planned. Next, temporary teeth that come in at the same day. That means the same day. So you come in and you leave with your whole new teeth screwed in. So no more waiting weeks for a basic set of teeth to get made and then have it gerrymandered into your teeth. No, they get made the same day, delivered the same day, and that's what you walk out with. Then your final prosthetic placement. Your permanent teeth are customized and then are ready faster than ever. This means less time in the chair, fewer interruptions to your daily life, and faster results. Why digital workflows create a more natural smile. Now let's talk about something that really matters, the final result. Many traditional implant cases rely on pre-made, mass-produced acrylic teeth that aren't designed specifically for you. They're stock denture teeth. But at Smile Now, because we use a fully digital approach, we can custom craft your new teeth to match your face, smile, and your bite perfectly. Digitally designed for facial aesthetics, your new smile is going to fit your face naturally. Second, it's going to be stronger and using more durable materials that we 3D print here in office. And then finally, we refine in materials like zirconia for longer lasting results with perfect function and aesthetics. Better fit and function because everything is precisely mapped. Your final teeth feel and perform like real teeth. This means that instead of a one-size-fits-all solution, your implants or teeth are designed specifically for you and only you. At Smile Now, we believe in staying ahead of the curve and providing our patients with the best possible experience. That's why we fully integrated digital workflows into everything that we do. This means better precision for more successful implants, fewer appointments, and a faster turnaround, and more comfortable processes with no messy molds. Finally, custom, high-quality results that feel and look natural. We invest in state-of-the-art digital technology because it makes your treatment smoother, faster, and better, and it's what you deserve. If you're considering all-in-4 or all-in-6 dental implants, let's talk. Schedule a free consultation today, and we'll show you exactly how our digital workflow can give you a more efficient, customized, and comfortable treatment experience. Simply click the link in the description below to book your visit, and let's get started on your journey to a perfect smile. Now, thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert dental insights. We'll see you in the next video.